Tesla puts a dummy camera in its new vehicles. One of these is not like the other. Now, why would you do that? A placeholder? Tesla's decided to install dummy cameras in new vehicles equipped with hardware 4.0 autopilot self-driving sensors. This is, of course, the latest self-driving package, which has a bunch of new sensors. The automaker is changing its cameras according to a filing with Chinese regulators. More specifically, the filing showed that Tesla had changed its front-facing camera setup from 3 to 2 cameras. Later confirmed after tearing down hardware 4.0, but where the confusion started is when they looked at the enclosure and found that it still had 3 cameras. What, do they not want people chatting? Or maybe they haven't redesigned the component that holds that hardware in there.
Could be a placeholder.
Almost looking like a dud. You see, the camera on the left is different. So the middle one and the right one are the legit ones. In the manual, Tesla confirms it's a dummy camera. The bi-camera assembly has cutouts for 3 camera lens assemblies, but one of the cutouts is populated with a dummy camera. Oh, all right, Electrek. Give us your expertise. Why would they do this? Electrek website. No, they don't give us any insight at all.
No, but it might be like, just a placeholder for future placements.
It's like when you have those security cameras at stores, but they're not real.
Yeah, it's just a black dome.
It's like, oh, it's looking at me. I don't. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense here because you have another camera right beside. Maybe a better front-facing front bumper angle for parking. That's the one thing which we've talked about. Not having that like front bumper view.
Yeah.
On the camera, when you hit the camera button, you've got this great view of each side and the rear, but you don't have the 360 stitch for one that all these other cars have.
Yeah, they need to put that in.
And it seems odd for
all the cameras.
Such a technologically advanced vehicle to not have that angle. So maybe you're right. Maybe this would contribute to that. I would think you still have to put a camera in the front bumper. There must be some reason they're reluctant, but
it's weird that they actually, it's not like a cutout. Or it's not like a plastic like plate that is put on top. It's like literally a fake camera.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you're right. That is a little weird. Like, go through the whole process of manufacturing a fake camera.
It has a lens as well.
But maybe it's worth it. Just design the plastic enclosure if you know for sure you're going to have the specs for the sensor and lens that you want at a later date. Just get going with it already.
Curious.
I'm curious. Curious.